What's up, guys? So since I did the first video driving this truck with the stock shifter, just want to do one more driving video after I installed the console and the remote shifter. So just going to do some normal driving, talk about some more harder acceleration stuff later, but this truck is not meant to be driven at like full throttle. It's not fast, so I'm not going to do a lot of full throttle pulls or anything like that. Just going to show how the shifter looks driving, some normal driving, talk about a couple things later, but let's just get started. See what it looks like driving. Of other videos that you can go back to and look to compare with my other truck that has the short throw shifter installed with the remote shifter. So this shifter shifts a lot smoother. There's really no hesitation between the gears. Throw is a little bit longer, like I said, without the short throw, but I like it better than with the short throw actually. A little bit harder acceleration here. I've seen all over the internet that people with these trucks complain about the second to third shift, say that it's really hard to get into gear or that it has a delay or something like that, and they say it's between 4,500 and higher, so around 5,000 RPM. I'm going to give it a test right here. I'm going to shift from 2 to 3 at 5,000, give you an idea what it looks like. I'm not saying this shifter fixes that problem, and maybe I just got lucky with this truck that it shifts really good, but we're going to give her a go here. Like I said, this truck's not meant to be driven like that, but I just want to give a little test, give you an idea what it looks like on the 2 to 3 shift, since I know that's a big topic with these transmissions. Falls right into gear, no problems. Said, I may have just gotten lucky with the trucks that I've owned, because I've had 3 trucks with the NV3500 now. None of them had any issues going to third gear, so I might have just got lucky. And could be that like 75% of these transmissions don't shift good from 2 to 3, but so there you go. That's what the new shifter looks like. The new remote shifter kit that works with the stock shifter looks like while driving. So thanks for watching.